start again. It's a rich thing.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. I'm showing you here a balding frontal that's been worn. And sis, we can't be going outside like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you would fix a frontal like this. Stay tuned. In this video, I use a spray bottle with some water in it. I also use some foam wrap. It's Cream of Nature coconut milk for natural hair, and it's also alcohol free. I also use some rat tail combs, as well as I use some clips to hold the hair back while I was styling it. And then lastly, I use some tweezers. And the tweezers that I'm showing you, they're Tweezerman tweezers. They work really good. They're really sharp, and I got them from Sally's. So you're just going to pull some hair out so that you're able to create baby hairs and you're able to pluck the hair. So you just want to go ahead and pluck the frontal because we're going to be pulling the hairline back, and you want to just make sure that it looks as realistic as possible. So as you can see in the video, I'm just pulling the hair back and creating the part where I'm going to start plucking at. Make sure you follow my steps step by step, and you're going to go from baldy to batty, okay? Okay, so now that we're finished plucking the hair, we're going to create some baby hair. So just make sure you're following step by step. Okay, now on to my favorite part. So you're going to go ahead and comb in your baby hairs. So this is what it should look like after you've laid your baby hairs. And as you can see, there's a lot of excess lace. In the next clip, I'm going to show you how to cut that lace off so it could be looking back like scalp, honey. Okay, so you're going to take your scissors and you're going to start to cut at the lace right before the baby hairs. As you can see in the video, I'm cutting in a zigzag motion. Nobody has a straight hairline, so you want to make sure you're cutting at a zigzag motion. And as you glide across that lace, you want to pick up the baby hairs and cut underneath the baby hairs. Again, so you can see in this clip, I'm just picking up the baby hairs and I'm going to gently pull them back and I'm going to cut underneath the baby hairs. So just make sure to not cut the actual baby hairs that you've laid down. There are some strands that are at the front of the lace that I'm fine with cutting off. You want to take your time when you're doing this. As you can see, I've moved to the other side. I'm doing the same thing. I'm picking up the baby hairs and then I'm cutting the lace that is directly in front of the baby hairs. Also, when you're cutting your wig, you just want to be mindful of what kind of wig you're working with. This is a full lace wig, so I have plenty of allowance to move my wig up and to still have a scalp looking effect. If you're using a frontal wig, just make sure that you're paying attention to how much lace that you're cutting off. And the reason I say that is because you would be minimizing the amount of parting space you would have if you have a lace frontal wig and you're cutting at the lace. Make sure you check out my last video. It's the part 1 to this video where I show you how to clean the lace adhesive off of the lace. I scooted the wig up correctly onto the mannequin, and this is what it should look like. This is a warm wig, so it's already bleached and tinted to my skin color. So you want to get your hot comb and you want to go over the hair, and you just want to make sure that the wig is giving you flat, okay? Nothing but flat. So I went in with my high beam spray just to make sure that the part was crisp. I realized that the spray is more brown than it is black, and it says on there that it's a 1B. Anyways, I went in to fix that with some black mascara on the roots. I went in with my Ruby Kisses foundation as well as an angle brush just to crispen up the part, as well to make it look more scalp like and to make it look like my skin tone. And this is the finished product. I just went in and did some twisties and did some curls. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I thank you so much for stopping by.